Good morning, YouTube. This is Chuck Gentles, and we're out in the desert, about to get a sunrise here. And we're going to do some gold prospecting again today. We did a little bit yesterday and hit a good spot. The donkeys kept us awake all night, but can't find them this morning. I just heard him a second ago, but he's not here. We're camped at a spot. There's only a few of us here today. There's one down there, and this is me here, and Tom and Julie's up there. And that's our bikes and whatnot with all our stuff on it. We'll show you a little bit of prospecting today, and we'll head out here after the sun comes up, after we get a nice sunrise. Okay, you can probably see that little rise right there. That's Thumb Butte. It's kind of popular here in Arizona. And you'll see how far away we are. About there. And the sun's just about to peek over the top here. And I guess I just spotted something here. This is I turned the camera off. If you look up here in the sky, those are hot air balloons. Just coming up over the horizon. I don't know if I can hold the camera steady enough so you can see them or not. There they are. Yeah, flying in the morning here. It's probably 6 something right now. And the sun is, I've been trying to get it coming up. But I guess we just gotta wait, huh? Right now, there it is. This is the view out our trailer windows. It's going to be a great sunrise. It's a little chilly this morning. Thought we were going to get a good one right there for a second, but not quite yet. Alright, be back. Guys, it's almost up, so I'm going to just pan around. This is what you see out here in the morning. Mountains everywhere. And this is the desert. And that is the sun. And it'll be ugly here in a month. Be 100+ degrees. Anyhow, thought you'd like to see it. Guys, Cheryl's starting panning. We're in a good spot, I think. Let's see what's in this one. These are the little pans. These are the little 10-inch pans. When we're in the desert, that's what we use.
3-inch riffles that are real deep riffles. They're really good for a little panning tub like this, where you can just bring a little cat litter bucket full of water and tip it on your tailgate, and then you can just kind of go like this a little bit with your pan, get it going off your riffles, bring it back a little bit when you want to look and see what's in there. And we're going to take a look here. We'll try to get out in the sun a little bit more. I don't know if Chuck can get on that, but that's not a nugget, that's a piece of rock, but you may not be able to see. My first pan I had some chunky pieces. This is the bottom. So I got some real tiny fine ones coming up there. They're going to roll out here just kind of along the edge.
Yep.
If you can see them, I'm not sure if I'm swinging too hard. But coming down, got about 6 little fine ones there. And this is a real heavy black sand out here in the desert in Arizona over by Wickenburg. So we got, here's some light. I don't know if you can see that or not, but
that's a teeny.
That's a small one. We did get we'll get a final shot of what we end up with here. Been a nice outing. We were really blessed to get down here this week and share some time with Tom and Julie Frank, our friends for a long time. Been in the Roadrunner Club about 38 years we do, but we've been super blessed. So I don't know if you could see, I was moving and he's probably moving the camera.
Yep.
But we'll give a good shot of this when we get finished on our hole. So thanks for watching our channel, everyone. We May God bless you in all things.
Be back.
Donna, in this mining here.
All right.
Come out and enjoy.
Yeah. Are we getting gold?
Yeah, we are.
All right. That's what we're here for.
Yeah, we're blessed. We're blessed.
All right.
We got a lot of practice, a lot of years.
Yes, we do. All right.
Okay.
Be back. We're filming all this gold. This is our second or third or fourth or fifth pan. I don't know what it is.
That's a seed.
Yep. They're on the
That's a
trees
fly
now.
that got it. Isn't it?
They're on the trees now.
Here we come.
Yep, that's one.
There we go. It's a little round one.
Yep. You got a little one up there on that riffle.
That floated.
That's the seed.
Here we come. Some little bit. It's chunky, and it's not real big, but that one's chunky, and then there's a bunch of little.
Yep.
Beside it. Once we get it out in a pan and get it down far enough, we'll have a nice pan. So, okay.
That's not all of it, is it?
So, turn off.
Okay, guys, we have one more day out here. Then we're gonna have to leave this beautiful countryside. It's hard to believe this is desert until you get out there in it. But it's just gorgeous everywhere you look. It's green. There's all kind of animals. The donkeys have been braying all night. And trucking side by side out there is gone. So it's Tom and Julie and us. And as you can see there, his trailer is. And now there's a guy just came back, that trailer up in front of him. Small trailer. I think he's working somewhere, but I've seen this parking area here totally full. There was wall-to-wall trailer. Well, guys, I don't know if you can see this or not. This is the moon tonight. I'm trying to hold a camera still, and the moon's going everywhere. I thought you'd enjoy seeing that and see how far away it is. Guys, so we're going to continue on with this evening. It's been a great day prospecting, and it's been a great night. We got shots of the moon. We got shots of a great sunset out here in the desert. Yeah, it's been good. It's been good. Tomorrow will be better. Let's go a little closer, a little more zoom maybe. Huh? How about that? That's better. Kind of like that one. As it goes, you can see the clouds coming in a little bit. Just a slight bit of clouds. A little bit of overcast. We might get a sprinkle of rain or something, but not very much. Okay, guys, we're not out in the bright sun anymore, but this is what we got for the, was it 2 or 3 days that we were in the desert, and not bad. It's really nice stuff. I can't get too close without blurring it, but you can see how nice all this is, huh? Lots of it. Lots of it. Lots of it. I didn't really hit that one little piece, but I will now. Right there. That is a genuine nugget. Not a big nugget. We'll weigh it here and I'll let you know how much it weighs, but for the most part, all of this gold, it has to weigh up to probably, oh, I'm guessing between 1.5 and 2 grams. I'll get it weighed after I get all this cleaned up. I might run it on the table to help clean it up and save as much as I can and not have it go in the drain. So, all right, that's it for this one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. come back again. Give it a great comment. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. There's a lot of stuff crawling on the ground anymore. Out in the desert, the rattlesnakes are out, the Gila monsters are out, the tarantulas are out, everything is out. So, and it's hot. So, stay safe out there, stay blessed, and pray, pray, pray. See you on the next one.